Welcome to our first tutorial about using text in AutoCAD. In this lesson, we're going to use single-line text. In our next lesson, we'll check out the multi-line option. And in our third lesson, we'll talk about text styles. As you can see, we're on the Home tab. The Annotation Panel is right here. I did extend the panel, but I don't have a way to pin it down right now, so let's see how we can fix this problem. Let's just right-click on the panel, and let's click Show Panels. Let's unselect the Blocks panel. Now expand the Annotation panel again. And I've got the option to pin it down now. We can access the same set of tools from the Annotate tab. We've got two options, multi-line text and single-line text. Let's select the single-line text. AutoCAD asks us to specify the start point of the text. We can enter a numeric value or left mouse click. In the next step, we specify the text height. Let's say 0.75, enter. Now we specify the rotation angle, 0 degrees, and enter. And now we're able to type some text. To exit the command, press Enter twice. But watch what happens. When I press Enter, I'm able to type a second line of text. We're going to need to press Enter again and again to exit the tool. Even though this looks like two lines of text, in reality, I've got two unique text objects. We can treat these text objects just like any other objects in AutoCAD. For example, let's right-click and scroll up to Copy Selection. The copy process is exactly the same. I specify a base point, and then left-click to make copies of the text object. Let's press Escape to exit the tool. To edit the text, just double-click. Now, when I press Delete, the text disappears. If I want to edit the text, I just left-click and then type in my new text. When you're done editing, press Escape to exit the tool. Editing text properties is done just as you do it with any other object properties in AutoCAD. One way is via the Quick Properties panel. Let's open the Quick Properties panel. We'll just click the toggle in the status bar. Let's change the text height, for example. Let's say to 1.2. The contents is also a property that we can modify right here. Style. If we've got more than one style, they'll be available in this drop-down menu. We can justify the text with a number of different options here. Top left, bottom left, and so on. We can also use the Properties panel to change the color, the height, the type, the justification, and so on. Let's press Escape to deselect our text. And this concludes our first tutorial about using text in AutoCAD.